If you need to add a developer to your GoDaddy account, Delegate Access is the safest and easiest way to do it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to invite a developer, choose the right permission level, and make sure they can work on your site without giving them full account control. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your GoDaddy account and look at the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile name or your initials there. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of your account level options, including security and access controls. Once you're inside Account Settings, look for the Delegate Access section. Depending on your layout, you may see it as a card or as a menu option. Click on GoDaddy Delegate Access to open the settings for managing who can access your account. This is the area where you can invite someone to help you without sharing your password. Now look for the section labeled People Who Can Access My Account. Under that section, click Invite to Access. This is the button that starts the invitation process for your developer. GoDaddy will now ask you for the details of the person you want to add. Next, enter the developer's full name and email address carefully. Make sure the email is correct, because GoDaddy will send the access invitation directly to that address. If the email is typed incorrectly, they won't receive the invite, and you'll have to repeat the process. After that, you'll need to choose the access level. This part is important because you should always give the minimum permissions needed for the work they're doing. If your developer needs to manage WordPress, edit DNS records, or work with hosting settings, choose products and domains. This is the best option for most developers because it gives them the tools they need without opening up your entire account. If your developer only needs access to domain names or domain-related records, then domains only may be enough. This is a more limited option and is ideal when the person only needs to handle domain settings, transfers, or name servers. If you want them to be able to buy new services using your saved payment method, then you can choose products, domains, and purchase. But be careful with this option because it allows them to make purchases on your behalf. Only use it if you fully trust the person and actually need that level of access. Once you've selected the right permission level, review everything one more time. Check the name, email address, and access type to make sure it matches what you need. Then click Invite. GoDaddy will send an email invitation to your developer, and they'll need to accept it before they can access your account with the permissions you assigned. And that's it. You've now successfully added a developer to your GoDaddy account using Delegate Access. This is the easiest and most secure way to collaborate on your website, hosting, or domain setup without sharing your login details. If this video helped you out, please remember to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.